Here I go again on my own, going down the road I've never known. Like a drifter, I was born to walk alone. Right. Oh. Let's get this done. Morning, folks. Well, I'm back again, facing a brick wall which I appear to be hitting my head against on a regular basis as we try and get this 2-bed lopsided house ready. And we've got the kitchen coming soon, so it's going to be delivered. I need the floor level. I need to get this wall done and sorted and spray corked and plastered and all the rest of it. So that's a day, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm kind of out of time, really. And yesterday when I cut the cable, yes, it reminded me I need to put a socket in there where the washing machine goes, but I've also left myself, precious little in the way of cable. We'll have to see what we can do. We'll have to see what we can do. Yeah, we can't fill it first time around. We're going to have to do it in a couple of stages, definitely. Right, if we get some in, let's see if we can balance another piece on it. That's going to be it for today. I've got meetings about the next big thing. Oh yes. So the wall was really bad. It had cracks, it had different levels, it was warped, it was all the rest of it. We got some of those cables that we capped, and the idea was that we wanted to just try and secure in some of the cables, the boxes. Matthew will just go around with a knife whilst it's still damp, we remember, and just trim out the boxes and make sure, get the cables clean. So he'll be doing that, having just been reminded of it.
You didn't say that.
All right, oh, that's because I've done it all. Anyway, we've sort of got a first layer of the bonding on. I might go over with a bit of a wet next coat, just to try and smooth it out, because some of the holes, some of the depressions are quite big. So especially around the top, it's going to take a couple of goes to get that sort of bit, firm enough to take something that you can get to a level. But we're getting there. The obvious elephant in the room is the sink, or should I say the original kitchen. That needs to come out. I've been delaying it because it's so useful having the water, and we're not going to get another sink for a week, less than a week now, and it'll take me ages to fit it anyway, so I really don't want to lose that at this point. But there we are. We're going to let things dry. We still need to build the floor up. I measured it this morning. You probably saw I'm still about that far short of getting it level. But there we go. So we will see you again soon as we
Yeah.
escape to the dream house. Of course we are. Come on.